Sometimes the simplest recipes turn out to be the best. These chocolate chip cornflake cookies are crisp, buttery, and packed with crunch in every bite. If you want to learn how to make them, then just keep watching. Starting with a clean dry bowl, we will take room temperature unsalted butter. Make sure that the butter is firm and can hold its shape. We do not want a sloppy butter. To this we will add the caster sugar. You can use home ground powdered sugar if you like. Now go ahead and cream the butter and sugar mixture using a spatula. Avoid using the whisk as it will aerate the mixture and it will cause the cookies to spread too much on baking. Cream it until you get a uniform mixture. To this we will add room temperature milk along with vanilla extract. Using water as a substitute to milk wouldn't be a good idea, as it's the milk that gives it a subtle rich flavor. Avoid using hot or warm milk, as this will cause the butter to melt in the mixture. This is the consistency we are looking for. Go ahead and take in the dry ingredients, that is the all-purpose flour, along with baking powder and baking soda. Now the reason we are adding baking powder and baking soda is to give it a gentle rise along with a crisp edge. You could use whole wheat flour for this recipe, for which you need to substitute the all-purpose flour with not more than 60 grams of whole wheat flour. However, I'd suggest you add it in parts to make sure you get the right consistency. Now once you get all the dry ingredients mixed in, go ahead and add the cornflakes. The cornflakes gives an extra crunchy texture to the cookies, along with some chocolate chips. You could crush the cornflakes before adding it into the dough. What I'm doing here is using the spatula to crush it in. Once everything is mixed in, set that aside and bring in your baking tray lined with the parchment paper. And all you need to do is scoop a tiny dollop and drop it onto the tray. Go ahead and do the same for the rest of the dough. This is the fun part where you can get your kids along to do the same. But just make sure to drop equal size of these cookie dough, as it helps to bake evenly. Now, who doesn't like more chocolate? So we're simply going to top the cookie dough with some more chocolate. You could even add some nuts if you like as a topping. Now the best part about these, this recipe does not need any refrigeration, so the dough can be baked right away. So go ahead and place it in the preheated oven for about 12 to 14 minutes until you see a nice golden brown on the edge. I'm not sure about you, but I surely want to pop one of these in my mouth right away. And I'm quite sure if you get to bake these, kids in the house are going to run right to it. And not to mention, of course, they could very well be a part of the baking process itself. Beautiful crisp browning on the edges. You could have it with a chocolate dip, or maybe just as it is. Time to see how they've turned out. Beautiful crisp browning on the edges and a perfect light texture. Nice, light and airy. Do give it a try and let me know what you think. Happy baking! Bye for now.